Hello everyone, I would like to welcome you to our presentation on requests for qualifications for CEE300. My name is Jacob Markiewicz, and I'm joined by Shriya, Jacob, and Benjamin. Our firm is presenting the proposed location for the new Scottsdale Park, which will be situated at the intersection of Scottsdale Road and Ashler Hills Drive. This park will be located directly behind a busy retail area, including Target, Safeway, and other shops. The park will offer walking paths, green spaces, and recreational areas for families and individuals to enjoy, all within walking distance for many local residents. This plan makes this park a valuable addition to the community. The park on Ashler Hills Drive and 74th Way aimed at providing a community space for local residents. The park will occupy 17 acres of land, offering ample space for various recreational amenities such as walking paths, green areas, and playgrounds. The proposed budget for this project is $4 million, which will cover planning, development, and construction costs. However, there is some concern among residents about potential tax increases to fund the project. Many are worried that if the park does not meet their expectations or needs, they will not see the value in the higher taxes. As the project moves forward, it will be crucial to address these concerns and ensure the park delivers meaningful benefits to the community, all while remaining within budget and minimizing financial impacts on local residents.
After further review of the RFQ, there are a few major problems that need to be addressed. The current infrastructure in the area does not adequately support the increased traffic flow expected from new park visitors. Without these improvements, congestion and safety issues are likely to arise. The proposal fails to address this critical problem. The park is only accessible through a single entrance, off East Ashler Hills Drive. This limitation could create bottlenecks and deter visitors, especially during peak hours. To mitigate these challenges, a portion of the $4 million budget will need to be reallocated to expand and improve roadway infrastructure around the park. This would leave less funding for essential park features, potentially compromising its overall quality. While proximity to a shopping center might seem advantageous, it's unlikely to generate sufficient park visitors. Most shoppers are focused on their errands and may not divert their attention to visiting the park. This could hinder the park's ability to generate the returns necessary for long-term viability.
The members of this firm have previously worked on relevant and impactful projects like Tempe Streetcar Cost-Benefit Analysis and Financial Report, South Mountain Freeway Economic Analysis, Sustainable City Design Project, and civil environmental engineering projects involving statistical modeling. Additionally, we have led student organizations focused on professional development and student engagement. We bring expertise in cost-benefit analysis, economic evaluation, sustainable design, statistical modeling, and leadership to every project.
The approach that we are taking for this problem is that we would like to get the community involved and try to cater to their preferences. We obviously would like to make the park blend in seamlessly with the surrounding natural environment just to make it good for the residents to look at. As stated before, the biggest change that we would like to advocate for is improving the road infrastructure in the area. At the moment, there is currently only one road that you can take to actually get to the park, which makes it difficult for people to even access the park. We built off previous projects that we have worked on, such as our sustainable city projects, which we use to make recommendations for improvement and help approach our solution.
As a part of an ASU academic project, our team designed a sustainable city that adhered to EPA regulations. This project focused on developing infrastructure and addressing air and water quality challenges to create an eco-friendly urban environment. I was the research lead and I conducted research on EPA guidelines and sustainable technologies. Jacob M. was the team lead and he coordinated project goals, managed timelines, and ensured team collaboration. Ben was the prototype lead and he developed a prototype city layout incorporating green infrastructure and renewable energy systems. Jacob P. was the writing lead and he documented the design process and compiled a detailed final report. The primary challenge we faced was defining the problem scope, as it is the most important step in starting any project. So our team overcame this challenge by narrowing our focus on sustainable infrastructure and water management, the two most important parameters of the city, and which ensured a feasible and impactful design. The result was that we could deliver a comprehensive city design that met EPA regulations, and this work was recognized by the ASU instructor.